The Bolex H16 RX-5 is more than just a vintage camera. It's a piece of cinematic history. Built for 16mm film, this Swiss-made reflex camera was designed to be portable, reliable, and incredibly versatile. One of its most impressive features is the reflex viewing system, which allows you to see through the lens while composing your shot. The RX-5 also offers a variable shutter, slow-motion shooting, single-frame exposure, extended exposure, and backwind capabilities. Unlike modern digital cameras, the Bolex doesn't record to a memory card. It captures images on actual 16mm film, giving the footage that classic, organic film character. It's mechanical, beautifully engineered, and completely different from the cameras we use today. The Bolex H16 RX-5 is a reminder of a time when filmmaking was slower, more hands-on, and truly mechanical. And that's exactly what makes this camera so special.